10 minutes to practice Qigong for hearts and lungs. You allow your lungs to be open and to relax and release tension from your heart and your lungs, okay? You make the fist like this, and then you can punch with your out breath, and you release it, all the tension and worry from your left hands, from your left chest, okay? Good day everyone, welcome back to Qigong meditation channel again. So today in this video, we will have 10 minutes to practice Qigong for hearts and lungs. So the first movement you call the pulling the arrow, okay? You can stand 2 legs parallel together as wide as your shoulders. Breathe in, lift your 2 hands up together. And breathe out, you pull right hands to the right this way, and the left hand make the mudra, happy mudra like this. You push to the left, okay? You pull 3 times, 1, 2, 3 for your out breath. Kneel your knees down a little bit, okay? And then breathe in again. Move your hands together in the center, stand up, and breathe out. You push your hands down, okay? Breathe in from the right side, and then out. 1, 2, 3. You pull 3 times for your out breath. Release all tension, okay? In, up again, out. You allow your lungs to be open and to relax and release tension from your heart and your lungs, okay? Breathe in from the left. Ah, 1, 2, 3. In. Ah, to release tension from your heart and your lungs, okay? Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. In. Breathe in. Deep. Out. Left. 1, 2, 3. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Inhale. 2 palms up. Exhale. Relax whole body. Feel your lower abdomen. Feel your 2 feet on the ground. Okay. So the next movement we call the releasing fist. Okay. You make the fist like this, and then you can punch with your out breath, and you release it, all the tension and worry from your left hands, from your left chest. Okay. So you can breathe in deep. Breathe out. Okay, one hand will move back in this way, right hand like this, the left hand you push, you release the fist to the left. Kneel your knees a little bit too, okay? Breathe in from the right, okay? In deep, and then okay? In left, in. 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 Left. In. Release all tension. That's so wonderful. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body. Relax your chest. Relax your palms and shoulders. Next movement you call the hands upward and backward, okay? Breathe in, you bring your hands up. Stand by your toes. Okay, breathe out. You put your palms front. Kneel down, put your heels down, and stretch. Raise your toes up a little bit, okay? Inhale up. Exhale down. In, up. Stand by the toes. Put your heels down and stretch. Raise the toes up. In. Relax the whole body. Massage movements. You can form your hand together like a flower in front of your chest. Okay. You can tap and click to a wrist down here. Okay, right over here. You click it. You click and tap together this area from 60 times until 100 times. Okay, you can count. This one can relax. Acupressure make your heart better and healthier. Okay, breathe in, out, in, out. Relax your wrist. Relax your hands. Look like you offer flower to yourself and you just smile to yourself. Okay? Smile with love and compassion. Smile to your hearts. Smile to your lungs. Okay? That's so wonderful. And then left palm on your heart, left palm on your lower abdomen, and right palms make your 5 fingers together. You can click on your under your left shoulders bones, okay, from your left chest into your left shoulder. Okay, there is connection point right here. You click for 20 times and you can change to another side. Okay, this one can make your heart healthier and relax your heart. Okay, breathe in, out, in, out. Okay, turn to the right side. Right palm on your lower abdomen, left hand click to the under your right shoulder bone. Okay, breathe in, out. Relax your chest. Change to the left. In, out, in, out. Change to the right. In, out, in, out. Then massage your two hands together and two sides of your hands. And the other hand. Relax your arms. Okay, you can massage your arm like this. You also can support your heart and your lungs. Make your heart lungs healthier. One more time. Breathe in, raise your hands up, stand at the toes, out. Okay, you release tension with the breathe in. One more time, in. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body again. Right palm on your heart and right palm on your lower abdomen. Take a few moments to relax, to embrace the whole body. You may close your eyes and feel your heart, feel your lungs, okay? Feel your internal organs. Recognize they are there, happy and healthy, and you feel so grateful. You offer a smile to them. Breathe in.